Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the problem that is why I cannot use the custom field macro. So the answer is pretty simple. You have to just remove this brackets here and then insert the name with these percentage signs. So this is the short answer, and I'm going to show you how it actually works and how the custom field macro indeed is applied. So yeah, at the end of this video, you will be able to use this macro without any problems. Okay, so we go to our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com. So you could use it anytime if you wish. The username is admin and the password is admin. All right. Uh, so we open some random ticket and see that we have currently three custom fields. So company custom field, contacts custom field, and checklist custom field. Okay, so here we have some value. We could also put some contacts here. For example, this guy and all right, this guy. Okay. Um, so let's try to apply the macro and see how it will actually work. Okay, so just to say that the macro could be used in the help desk template. So it is found here in the settings. Uh, Actually, sorry, this is not the help desk project. Let's go to the help desk project. And yeah, here is the help desk template. You could use answer template, you could insert the macros here, or in the auto answer template, and so on. So yeah, it is applied here. But in our example here, we are just going to use some simple command or answer to a ticket to apply and show you the macro. All right. Okay, so here we have the same custom fields, company, contacts, and checklists. Uh, Here we see that they are not populated. However, we could just insert some values again. So we put Stephen Ballmer here and David Beckham. Okay, and the checklists. Uh, okay, we will add some random item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. We could check 2 of them, and this is it. Testing reply. Okay, so we have our custom fields populated, and yeah, just click one more reply to client and say, hello client, hello Andrew. The contacts are, and we copy paste this here from our documentation. It could be found in help and support, and then help desk plugin documentation, and then macros article. So you scroll down and you will find the custom field here. Okay, so we copy paste this and see the contacts custom field is named contacts. Okay, so we click copy here and paste, replace this text with the custom field real name, which is contacts. And the most important part, just remove this brackets here, all right? So, okay, this is it. Let's continue further. The companies are, and we do the same procedure. Actually, we're going to just copy paste this text. Um, Here the custom field is company custom field, so we copy paste exactly the same name and yeah, paste it here. And the last one is the checklist. is this one. So we copy paste the checklist custom field name into the same way and insert it here. Okay, so other important thing that I would like to say is that when you click on preview, you see that nothing happens. So this is also important. The thing is that you have to submit your answer, so you have to apply it to Redmine, so the changes are going to take place and you could see the result, right? So we click submit and send our answer to the client. Uh, okay, so this is it. So everything is currently fine. Uh, these custom field macro is applied in this way. So the contacts are these numbers here mean the contact IDs. So if we open David Beckham and Stephen Ballmer, we see that the one has ID number 3 and this guy is ID 46. Okay, so we scroll down and see 3 and 46. These are the contacts. So the companies are, and this is also the ID of this company. So if I open it, I see it is ID number 2. All right. So if we check the checklists, it is saying subject item 1 is done false. So it is, yeah, indeed it is false. It is unchecked. So afterward we see subject item 2 is done true. So it is checked. This is true. And so on. We got this true and this false. So let's see. It is number 3 is true and number 4 item is false. Okay, yeah, so this is also applied correctly, and here we see is section false. This means if you're interested in this feature, the checklists could have sections. For example, we have we have 4 items here, and you could have a section which is aligned here, and then other items here below. So you could put another section. So you see this line here, it is similar. So this line could be here, and it is a section between checklist items. Okay, so it is described in detail in our documentation and video demonstrations. So if you're interested, you could check it. Okay. All right, so yeah, this was the video demonstration that currently showed you how to apply this custom field macro because yeah, there are requests because some clients have difficulties to apply this macro in particular because the other ones are pretty straightforward and there is no problem applying them, but this one is a bit problematic to the clients, and I hope this video was good and yeah, and helpful for you to see how this custom field macro is actually applied and yeah, how it works in real. All right, so this is it. Thanks again for watching this video. Thanks for your patience. If you like the video, you could check other videos. You could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You could put some comments, or you could like it, of course. And yeah, if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.